Liquefied natural gas, due to its low environmental impact and competitive price, is becoming more and more popular as a marine fuel. As of July 2015, 144 LNG-fueled vessels were reported worldwide, with 65 in service and 79 ordered for delivery by the end of 2018. The majority operate in Norway. Although the fleet is currently dominated by ferries, the order books show a trend towards both offshore vessels and larger cargo ships for operation mainly in emission control areas. The European Union has identified a role for LNG in its transport strategy for 2020. One of the most recent examples is a modern ferry delivered in 2014 to Samsø, the world's first 100% renewable energy-powered island in Denmark. The vessel has been equipped with a complete LNG propulsion system designed and manufactured by Remontowa LNG Systems, a company present on the market for 70 years. The system comprises a double shell tank made of stainless steel, a bunkering station, and tank connection space. The entire production process, from design, engineering through assembly to final tests, was conducted by our highly skilled personnel at our own facilities under the supervision of DNV-GL. The LNG fuel tank, due to low operating temperatures, consists of two shells, an inner tank used as a cryogenic vessel and an outer shell used as a vacuum vessel. The space between both tanks is filled with a non-toxic and non-combustible perlite used as insulation. Firstly, the outer shell was assembled from previously prefabricated sections. The tank was assembled with the use of modern welding technology. After precise treatment, all necessary piping and other cryogenic-related components were also installed and connected to the inner tank. The completed tank was checked during a helium test with the use of helium leak detectors. The next step in the construction was related to putting the inner tank into the outer one and its final precise positioning inside without any scratches or damage of partly installed equipment. The operation was carefully carried out. Finally, the cold box, a module containing heat exchangers, piping and other cryogenic equipment, was manufactured and mounted to the LNG tank. The ferry was launched at Remontowa shipbuilding in Gdansk on the 27th of March 2014. On the 26th of April, the LNG fuel tank previously transported from Remontowa LNG Systems to the shipyard was lifted by two cranes and lowered into a purpose-built compartment under the main deck. It's worth mentioning that, due to the limited space available on the ship, the cold box has been located on the side of the tank. This is probably the first such solution in the world. The main gas engines in normal operation are able to deliver power for all thrusters and give required electric auxiliary power for the ferry with a maximum speed just below 16 knots. The ferry features a fully automated monitoring and control system with approximately 4,000 data inputs remotely controlled from several onboard computer workstations, as well as emergency shutdown. Able to carry 160 cars and 600 passengers, the ferry meets the highest environmental standards in Europe, ensuring the lowest harmful emission and highest fuel efficiency. The use of LNG as the main fuel reflects the ideas of the Samsø municipality, promoting the tourist attractiveness of Samsø Island. This is the first gas-powered ferry in Denmark, and in the European Union, sailing on domestic routes with a complete LNG propulsion system made in Poland. We are ready for the upcoming challenges.